Hello and welcome to this session on receipts with payments to us. During this session we'll be covering topics such as previewing receipts, adding logos and changing colours, how to change the receipt text, resources and information on other bits about payments to us receipts. First of all, inside Salesforce we'll have a look at how you can preview a receipt. What I normally do is find an existing transaction inside payments to us. We click into the transaction and you can see the receipt preview button. You click on that and that will show you the receipt preview from that person's point of view. On the receipt you'll notice that there are a number of things here. We can add a logo at the top of the screen here. We can update and maintain the address information block. We can replace this entire section here if you want with your own custom letterhead, logo updated. You can mail merge details in the receipt from the payment transaction record. You can change the colors of the background. You can add and change details that are printed in the total section here. What we'll do is we'll go and have a look at where some of these things are maintained. So if you click on the Merchant Facility tab, press the Go button, click into the appropriate merchant facility. If you scroll down the screen, you'll see a section here that is dedicated to receipting. You can see some help. You can change the document type that appears in the top left-hand side of this receipt. You can add the receipt text. You can put some personalized name and city and address information here. If you leave this blank, this will pull it from the company record inside Salesforce. You can update the receipt colors. And press save. Also against the merchant facility, if you scroll down to the notes and attachments area, press the attach file, locate your logo on file, open, attach, and go done. So now when we go back into our payment transaction record that we had and now do a receipt, we can see that the color of the background has changed and that we've also added our logo. Now what we'll do is have a look at where we can change the body part of the receipt. The text for this is maintained in one of three places. It can be maintained on the campaign. If we have a look at it, we have a section here called receipt text. If the payment transaction is linked to a campaign and there is receipt text there, then that will be used. Otherwise, what will happen is we'll go to the payment form that is related to the payment transaction and we'll use the receipt text from there into the receipt section. If the receipt text is not specified here, then there is receipt text that is specified on the merchant facility form, and that is what will be used. What we'll do is have a look at the best way of creating these mail merge fields. If you go to Setup inside Salesforce, and we'll pretend we're going to create the text for an email template. So you go here and we'll choose My Email Templates. We go New Template. We'll just choose text because we just want that part of it. And we're just after building up the text in the body here. The key thing here is we've got to start from the payment transaction object. So from here, select payment transaction fields. Those are the fields that are available for us to merge. So if I go Dear, and then from here we choose the first name, say, so Dear first name, I copy that field on here. Thank you for your payment of, and then I come here and we select the amount or total amount. Then we copy that field and paste it there. I know this is very simple text here. We don't really need to save the email template. All I want here is the mail merge fields from the payment transaction record. If you're creating an annual statement, then the payment transaction mail merge fields will be from the contact record, but we're looking at receipts at this stage. So if I go back to my payment form now, I scroll down to where my receipt text is. I'll edit the receipt detail section here, and I'm going to replace that with the text that I've just done from here. Please note that often people would like to insert images, so this might be the CEO's signature and things like that, so we can support that as well. If I now go save on this record, we go back to the payment transaction and do a preview of the receipt. I'll now see that the body text has been updated. For other information on receipting and the options available, if you go to our user manual and you can do a search on this using Google search and just simply Google payments to us receipt or go from our main website, what you'll find under here is that there is a large number of options and available to you for the receipting side of things, so I'd encourage you to explore that some more. Thank you for listening to this session on receipts. Be sure to check out our other videos and also our online user manuals and how-tos.